is bright and new. Don't let drugs take it away from you. Choose your dreams, stay strong and free. Say no to drugs and be who you want to be. Thanks to the anchor, respected president, respected principal sir, panel of judges, teachers, my competitor friends, and all of my lovely audience present here. I extend my heartfelt greetings and warm good afternoon to all of you gathered here. It's really an honor to stand before you to extend my feelings. So today, I would like to extend my feelings or draw your attention in a silent danger, which is slowly stealing all the dreams of teenagers. Drug abuse and its effect among teenagers. Teenagers are the people of age period 13 to 19. This is the most sensitive stage of human life. Teenagers are creative and full of curiosity. At this time, teenagers' curiosity leads them to become successful. But a silent danger is slowly stealing all the goals and happiness of teenagers, which is drug abuse. Drug abuse is a condition in which a teenager totally depend on harmful substances like alcohol, cigarettes, electrons, cocaine, heroin, which lead them health issues and mind impact also. There are various reasons or effect of being drug addict. Some of them are physical, mental stress, family problems, personal problems, peer pressure, etc. Among these all, one of the most important is imitation. Yes, imitation. Imitation means to do like what others are doing. Teenagers see others that they are taking drugs, then their curiosity level increases and they think, let's try once. Yes, this phase, let's try once. But slowly it becomes their habit. There are various negative impacts of drug addiction. It has various impacts. If we will talk in physical, if we talk in physical, it weakens our body. It damages our vital organs in body like brain, heart, liver, etc. And if we will talk about mental situation, it invites anxiety, depression, lower decision-taking ability, etc. And in socially, it isolates teenagers away from family, friends, relationships, etc. Drugs do not have any useful impact. It just has negative impacts. Drugs do not just harm our body. It also covers our mind with dark clouds. It takes away our strength, our confidence, and it decreases our confidence level. So, dear friends, remember that drugs do not solve any problem. It always creates new ones. So, this teenage life is precious part of our life, which is the step to make our future sharp and bright. So let us promise to avoid all bad activities and consider our future and do hard work for our future. And we need to be aware that drug addiction is not good. Schools should teach about this topic. Public awareness programs should be conducted. And at last, I would like to say, choose your dreams, stay strong and free, say no to drugs, be who you want to be. Thank you.